Welcome to our guide on the best places to visit in northern Greece. From ancient ruins to stunning landscapes, northern Greece has it all. So grab your travel journal, pack your bags, and let's embark on an unforgettable journey together. Our first stop is Thessaloniki, Greece's second largest city, a captivating blend of ancient history and modern vibrancy. Thessaloniki's history unfolds before your eyes as you encounter Roman ruins, Byzantine churches, and Ottoman-era architecture. Take a moment to admire the iconic White Tower and delve into the past at the Archaeological Museum. Indulge in mouth-watering gyros, savor fresh seafood at a waterfront taverna, and treat yourself to a bugatsa, a local pastry. As the sun sets, join the locals for a leisurely stroll along the waterfront, where the shimmering lights of the city dance upon the Aegean Sea. Thessaloniki is a city that pulsates with life, offering a vibrant tapestry of history, culture, and unforgettable experiences. Prepare to be amazed as we journey to Meteora, a UNESCO World Heritage Site that will leave you breathless. Imagine towering sandstone pillars crowned with centuries-old monasteries. These monasteries, perched precariously atop these natural wonders, were built by monks seeking solitude and spiritual enlightenment. Climbing the steep steps carved into the rock is a pilgrimage in itself, but the reward is well worth the effort. Step inside these ancient sanctuaries and be transported back in time. Admire the intricate frescoes, whisper a prayer in the stillness of the chapels, and let the serenity of the surroundings wash over you. The panoramic views of the surrounding plains and villages are simply awe-inspiring. Meteora is a testament to human ingenuity and the enduring power of faith. Get ready to conquer the mythical Mount Olympus, the legendary home of the Greek gods and the highest peak in Greece. As you ascend the slopes of this majestic mountain, you'll be surrounded by a tapestry of alpine meadows, dense forests, and cascading waterfalls. Legend has it that Zeus, the king of the gods, ruled from Mount Olympus's summit. Today, hikers from all over the world come to challenge themselves and experience the raw beauty of this mythical place. For those seeking a more leisurely experience, there are plenty of well-maintained trails that wind through the lower slopes of the mountain. Reaching the summit of Mount Olympus is a truly rewarding experience, offering panoramic views that stretch as far as the eye can see. As you stand on the roof of Greece, you'll feel a sense of accomplishment and awe that will stay with you long after you've descended back down to earth. Our journey takes us to Pella, the ancient capital of the Macedonian kingdom and the birthplace of Alexander the Great. Step back in time as we explore the ruins of this once mighty city and delve into the life and legacy of its most famous son. Imagine a city buzzing with activity, its streets lined with grand palaces, temples, and bustling marketplaces. As you wander through the archaeological site, you'll encounter remnants of opulent houses adorned with intricate mosaics. The Archaeological Museum of Pella houses a fascinating collection of artifacts unearthed from the site, providing further insights into the daily life and culture of the ancient Macedonians. Before we leave Pella, take a moment to reflect on the impact that Alexander the Great had on the course of history. Prepare to be transported back to the golden age of the Macedonian kingdom as we visit Vagina, home to the royal tombs of Aigai. Imagine the excitement of archaeologists when they unearthed these remarkably preserved tombs hidden within the heart of a tumulus. Step inside the tomb of Philip II, Alexander the Great's father, and marvel at the intricate frescoes that adorn the walls. The most breathtaking discovery is Philip II's golden larnax, a chest containing his remains and adorned with the emblem of the Macedonian royal family. The adjacent museum houses a wealth of artifacts from the tombs, including gold wreaths, weapons, armor, and other precious objects. Vagina is a treasure trove of history and a testament to the enduring legacy of the Macedonian kingdom. Get ready to soak up the sun and dive into the crystal-clear waters of Halkidiki, a region renowned for its stunning coastline and charming villages. Imagine pristine beaches stretching for miles, their golden sands lapped by the turquoise waters of the Aegean Sea. Halkidiki's coastline is dotted with picturesque villages, each with its own unique character and charm. Explore the narrow streets lined with whitewashed houses, Savor fresh seafood at a taverna overlooking the harbour, and soak up the relaxed atmosphere of island life. For the adventurous traveller, Halkidiki offers ample opportunities for hiking, biking and water sports. As the sun begins to set, find a spot on the beach and witness a breathtaking spectacle of colours as the sky transforms into a canvas of fiery hues. Halkidiki is a place where you can reconnect with nature, embrace the simple pleasures of life and create memories that will last a lifetime. Our final destination takes us to Kavala, a charming coastal city steeped in history and blessed with natural beauty. Perched amphitheatrically on the slopes of Mount Simvolo, Kavala offers breathtaking views of the Aegean Sea and a captivating blend of ancient ruins, Ottoman-era architecture and modern amenities. As you stroll through the narrow cobblestone streets of the old town, you'll be transported back in time. Admire the well-preserved Ottoman-era houses with their colourful facades, explore the Byzantine fortress that overlooks the city, and imagine the bustling port that once served as a major trade hub. No visit to Kavala is complete without experiencing its vibrant waterfront. Enjoy a coffee or a meal at one of the many cafes and restaurants lining the harbour, watch the fishing boats bobbing gently on the water, and soak up the lively atmosphere of this charming coastal city. Kavala is a city that will stay with you long after you've left, its beauty, history and charm leaving an indelible mark on your memory. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more travel guides. From the ancient monasteries of Meteora to the sun-drenched beaches of Halkidiki, northern Greece offers a tapestry of experiences that will captivate your senses and leave you wanting more. Which place in northern Greece are you most excited to visit? Let us know in the comments.